Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm out here in this beautiful, beautiful spot. This is Sausalito, and I'm loving it here. It's a beautiful day. Couldn't be more gorgeous. It's around 75 degrees. There's a nice light breeze. Not too windy for yo-yo tricks. I'm gonna do a slack trick, so the wind kind of can mess that up because the string is all slacky, and then the wind can blow the string around where you don't want it to. It makes it difficult to do a trick. But I thought a slack trick, you know, slack ropes, and there's a lot of ropes with sailing and all these beautiful boats. And I'm going to show you a little montage of walking out here on this boat dock as well, and just so you can see how lovely it is. Really beautiful. So the trick I've got prepared for you today is called slack trapeze, and it's another one of the more simple slack tricks. And so slack tricks, as opposed to other kind of yo-yo tricks, with normal yo-yo tricks, the string is just taut like this. It's in a straight line and it's taut. That's the plastic whip, by the way, to bring the yo-yo back. I have to bind it because this is an unresponsive yo-yo. That means when I put it down and pull it up, it doesn't pull up unless I give it a bind. Unless I give it a good bind. There we go. And so this is called slack trapeze. It's pretty cool. Here you go. It starts with a trapeze, and I flip the yo-yo off the string, and then I whip the string back around the yo-yo, and it goes into the trapeze, and then I have to flip it over both hands to get it back to the regular trapeze. And you have to be careful when you do that, otherwise you could get a knot in the yo-yo. You always have to be careful with yo-yos, of course, with knots, and you know, sailors, knots, yada yada. Okay, so anyway, slack trapeze. Here we go. Start off with the regular trapeze. Flip it off. Pinch the string. That's the slack trapeze. I'm gonna edit it out, but it took me a couple tries in this wind. The wind made it difficult. But I'll do a blooper video some other time and put those all back in. But thanks, it's good to see ya. Thanks for sharing this beautiful day with me, and we'll see you next time. I just happened to have some business in Sausalito, so I moseyed on out on this boat dock, and this is the walk I took to get out to